Ever felt overwhelmed by your to-do list? Like you're juggling 1,000 balls in the air and none of them seem to stay put? Well, that's where Asana comes in. It's a project management tool that can turn chaos into order, helping you stay organized, productive, and sane. But what exactly can you do on Asana? Let's dive in. Section 1. Creating projects and tasks. Project creation. Start by creating a project. This could be anything from a personal goal to a team project. Give your project a clear name and description. Task breakdown. Break down your project into smaller, manageable tasks. Assign a due date, priority, and add any relevant details. Subtasks and dependencies. For complex projects, create subtasks and set dependencies to ensure tasks are completed in the right order. Section 2. Collaboration and communication. Team collaboration. If you're working with a team, Asana makes it easy to collaborate. Assign tasks to team members, create comments, and have discussions directly within the platform. File sharing. Attach files to tasks to keep everything organized and accessible. Notifications. Stay updated on project progress with real-time notifications. Section 3. Time tracking and productivity. Time tracking. Use Asana's time tracking feature to monitor how much time you're spending on each task. Progress tracking. See how your project is progressing with visual timelines and progress bars. Custom fields. Create custom fields to track specific information relevant to your project, such as budget, status, or client name. Section 4. Automation and integrations. Automations. Use Asana's automation rules to streamline your workflow. For example, you can set up rules to automatically assign tasks to team members based on certain criteria. Integrations. Connect Asana to other tools you use, such as Google Calendar, Slack, or Gmail, to improve efficiency and reduce the need to switch between multiple applications. Section 5. Asana for personal use. Personal goals. Use Asana to track your personal goals, whether it's learning a new skill, planning a trip, or organizing your life. Habit tracking. Create projects to track your habits and stay motivated. Daily planning. Use Asana as a daily planner to keep track of your tasks and appointments. Section 6. Advanced features and tips. Portfolios. Organize multiple projects into portfolios for a high-level overview. Custom workspaces. Create custom workspaces to organize your projects by team, department, or client. Asana rules and formulas. Learn how to use Asana's rules and formulas to automate tasks and calculations. So there you have it. Asana is a versatile tool that can help you stay organized, productive, and on top of your projects. Whether you're a solopreneur, a team leader, or simply looking to improve your time management skills, Asana has something to offer. Ready to give Asana a try? Sign up for a free account today and start transforming your workflow. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.